The Stetsom Tremor Bass Processor noticeably revives thin factory or compressed tracks by rebuilding missing low end so your subwoofers finally feel alive again. Its digital processing focuses on recreating bass rather than just boosting volume, so the system sounds fuller and more controlled instead of muddy. Wide range frequency adjustment lets you tailor how deep or broad the bass enhancement is, which makes it easy to match different subwoofer setups and musical styles. The sweep control allows you to pinpoint exactly where the bass hits hardest, helping you dial in a punchy response for rock or a deep rumble for hip-hop. The included dash-mounted remote makes it simple to fine-tune bass level from the driver's seat, which is especially useful when switching between songs with very different recording quality. Build quality feels solid for permanent installation, and the compact chassis with long control cable gives you flexible mounting options in tight car audio layouts.